In this video, we'll look at some of the settings site administrators control when managing seminars. These settings will be applied as defaults to all seminar activities added across your site. Like many administration settings, these are found in the Site Administration menu, where I'll select Seminars. Let's start with the Events report. You can use this embedded report to see all the seminar events across all the courses in your site. You can also customize this report using Report Builder. Let's go next to the Global Settings. Here you can set a whole range of settings to apply to the seminars in your site. Let's have a look at some of the key ones. At the top here you can see the event roles. Users assigned to the selected roles in a course can be tracked within the seminar event. For example, anyone who is a trainer at a course level for a particular course can be chosen as a trainer for the event. Next, decide which approval options will be available to users setting up a seminar event. Remember, you can't force users to choose a specific option unless you make only one option available. Users Select Manager is a useful option. If a user has multiple job assignments, they may also have multiple managers, so you need to allow learners signing up to an event to choose the manager this training relates to if you require manager approval. These fields here allow you to control how exports look and how events appear on site calendars. We'll cover notifications in another video, so let's have a look at the additional features next. Some key settings here include Select Job Assignment on Sign Up, which asks learners with multiple job assignments to choose which job the training relates to. You can also decide how the waiting list will work. By default, people will only be added to the waiting list once an event is full, but selecting this option adds everyone to the waiting list. You'll then need to enable the waitlist lottery to allocate spaces. You might do this if you want to give everyone equal chance of a space at an event regardless of when they sign up, so people aren't punished for being on leave or unable to sign up quickly. When you've chosen all your settings, save your changes. You can also set some default settings for seminar activities, such as the terms and conditions text and how manager reservations are handled. Similarly, you can set defaults for your seminar events, such as a default start and finish time and the minimum number of bookings required. We'll leave custom fields and notifications to another video and have a quick look at setting up rooms and assets. Site administrators can create lists of rooms and assets to be used for seminar sessions. Here you are creating the lists that other users, such as trainers, will choose from when setting up individual sessions. I'll quickly add a new room, give the new room a name and a capacity. You can also decide to enter other information about your room. Sometimes it's nice to include a Google map of the location. To do this, I'll enter the address of the room and choose to display a map along with the address. I'll use the address I've already entered to create my map. My map is updated, so I can now add my room. If a learner goes to the room details when viewing an event, they'll now see the map and address details. Adding an asset is a similar process. I add an asset, give it a name, and can give it a description if required before saving. My room and asset have been added, so anyone adding a session can select them from the available list. So that's a quick review of the settings a site administrator can set for seminars at site level.